learning adventure. Hi friends, I'm Luna, and today I found a rainbow that's not just beautiful, it's magical. Each color leads to a brand new world. Ready to explore with me? Ooh, red like fire! What's bubbling over there? It's a volcano. Hot lava flows down like melted jelly. Did you know lava comes from deep underground? The orange sun is rising. And look, there's an elephant and a giraffe with a super long neck. She giggles. Let's count animal legs. 1, 2, 3. So many! If you were an animal, which one would you be? I think I'd be a dancing zebra. Yellow makes me feel warm and happy. Look at these sunflowers, stretching up like they're waving at the sky. She waters them gently. The sun helps flowers grow, gives us light, and makes my hair sparkle. Thanks, sun. Pretend you're a sunflower. Reach up to the sky with me. Whee! The green jungle is bouncy and wild. I see a frog hopping. This jungle is the best playground. Let's swing like monkeys. The blue ocean is quiet, but full of life. Dolphins flip, jellyfish glow. And look, a crab doing the sideways dance. Dolphins talk with squeaky sounds. Try it. E-e-e. Purple stars. Purple planets. Space is the coolest. Hi there, robot buddy. Watch out. Asteroid coming. Let's float like space explorers. Slow and spinny, I saw a planet shaped like a donut. What would yours look like? Whew, that was amazing. I explored fire, animals, sunshine, jungles, oceans, and even outer space. Every color had a surprise. Which one did you love most? I'm so glad we explored together. Let's do it again soon, and maybe find a new kind of rainbow. Thanks for joining me, friends. Don't forget to tap the heart, subscribe, and share this rainbow with someone curious like you.